Hey guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Personalities. Today we're going to talk about a very famous personality, pride of India. Her name is PV Sindhu, right? So before I begin, I would like to request you to subscribe Aisha's channel, and I hope you are watching all the foundational videos and you're following the timetable, and you would have enrolled in the test series, so which is going to be very rewarding for you for the upcoming exam. And also I'm requesting you to share these videos as much as you can. Only the serious aspirants know the value of these videos. So okay, let's move ahead. So PV Sindhu, Pusarla Venkata Sindhu. So she was born on 5th July 1995. She is an Indian badminton player. We all know that. She is considered as one of the India's most successful sports person. She has won medals at various tournaments such as Olympics and BWF, World Championship, and that includes the gold medal also in the 2019 World Championships, right? She is the first and only Indian to become the badminton world champion and only the second individual athlete from India to win consecutive medals at the Olympics game. And she rose to a career high world ranking of number 2 in April 2017. Now we'll know about her early life. So PV Sindhu was born and brought up in Hyderabad, India to PV Ramana and P Vijaya, her parents. And both of her parents, they were national level volleyball players. Her father Ramana was a member of the Indian volleyball team that won bronze medal in the 1986 Seoul Asian Games, and he received Arjun Award in 2000 for his contribution to the sports. So her family was already in sports. So she was educated at Auxilium High School in Hyderabad and at St. Anne's College for Women in Hyderabad. She chose badminton over volleyball. Because she drew inspiration from the success of Pullela Gopichand. He is also phenomenal badminton player from India. She joined Pullela Gopichand Badminton Academy and she won several titles. In the under 10 years category, she won the 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship in the doubles category and the singles title at the Ambuja Cement All India Ranking. In the under 13-year category, she won the single title and at the sub juniors in Pondicherry. Now her career as a badminton player. So Sindhu, she entered the international circuit at the age of 14 in the year 2009. She was a bronze medalist in the 2009 Junior Asian Badminton Championship, which was held in Colombo. At the 2010 Iran Fajr International Badminton Challenge, she won the silver medal in the singles category. A 16-year-old Sindhu went on to compete at an All England Open Championship as a qualifier. She reached the main draw but lost to the Taiwan's Ying in 3 games. On 7 July 2012, she won the Asian Junior Championship, beating Japan's Nozomi Okuhara in the final. And the scores were 18-20, 18-21, 21-17, and 22-20, becoming India's first ever Asian junior champion. Now, Sindhu stunned China's Wang Xingjian in the second round of the Asian Championships in 3 tough games to reach the quarterfinal, but she lost to Eriko Hirose of Japan in yet another three game clash. She won the Malaysian Grand Prix gold title, beating Singaporean Gu Juan 21-17, 17-21, 21-19. This was her first Grand Prix gold title. She participated in 2013 World Championships. She beat higher seeded Chinese player Wang Xinjian to become only India's second medalist in the singles events at Badminton World Championships since Prakash Padukone's bronze medal in 1983. And she was awarded Arjun Award by the Government of India in recognition of her achievements. She won Macau Open Grand Prix gold title by defeating Canada's Michelle Lee on 1st December 2013. She claimed her first medal at the Asian Championships, a bronze, after beating Thailand's Busanan Ongbarham won in the, I'm sorry for the pronunciation, it's very difficult, in the quarterfinal. She reached the semi-final stage of the 2014 Commonwealth Games in the women's single championship, alright, single competition, but she narrowly lost this to the eventual gold medalist Michelle Lee of Canada. She created history in 2014 by becoming the first Indian to win two back to back medals in the BWF World Championships at the women's singles event at the Rio Olympics. She clinched the silver medal, creating history as India's youngest individual Olympic gold medalist and the first Indian women to bag an Olympic silver medal. This was only the second instance of a podium finish at the Olympics by an Indian badminton player. First was legendary Saina Nehwal. Sindhu was named as the BWF Most Improved Player of the Year following her achievements in 2016. She won Syed Modi International by beating Georgia Mariska Tunjung of Indonesia in the final. Sindhu became the first Indian to win Korea Open. She won her second consecutive World Championship silver medal after losing to Carolina Marin in the final. She won a historic first silver medal for India in badminton in 2018 Asian Games. She became the first Indian to win gold at World Championships in 2019-2020. Sindhu won Syed Modi International for the second time, beating compatriot Malvika Bansod in the final. She then won the title at the 2022 Swiss Open, defeating Thailand's Busanan and this complex name in the final in the two straight games. In August, she took charge as the deputy collector in Krishna district in the Chief Commissioner of Land Administration office under the Revenue Department of the Government of Andhra Pradesh in 2007. There is a huge list of her honors, but here it is. So, she was honored with Padma Bhushan Award, the third highest civilian award in India, in January 2020. She was honored with Padma Shri Award, the fourth highest civilian award in India, in March 2015. She received Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award, the highest sporting honor of India, on 29 August 2016, bestowed with Arjun Award for badminton on 24 September 2013. So, with this, we have come an end to this episode. Hope you enjoyed it and found it inspiring. So, keep sharing these videos. We'll meet in the next one. Thank you.